Hello everyone. We started our virtual open house, and today I thought I would show you how to make a cute little treat bag. You might remember that my secret sister had made one for me. Unfortunately, I don't have it here. It's at work because I just love looking at it. But I wanted to show you how to make it, and because we're still talking about my favorite things, I wanted to show you also how this is made so much easier by using the scorPal. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with a piece of paper that is 6 inches by 12. So you can imagine that you will get 2 of these boxes per each 12 by 12 paper. So I'm going to put in my scorPal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to score at 1.5. There we go. Going down the long way. On the other side, I'm going to score at 4.5. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it the short way, and I am going to score at 5. And then I'm going to go over to 7 and score again. So this is the base of our box now. I'm going to start folding it. Now for this box we need to have some diagonal lines. So what I'm going to do is use my new scorMat to help me make these diagonal lines. It's one of my new favorites. I see a lot of possibilities with it. So let me bring it over after I get this all folded. You can kind of see the shape of it coming. So my scorMat just slides right into my scorPal. And what I need to do now is I need to line this up at 3.5. Okay, so that's where the top of my paper is going to go, 3.5. Now I'm going to take a straight edge. And you see this line that's going diagonally through it? I'm going to line that up. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry. I used the line coming up backwards. Sorry about that. So I'm going to line that up. And I'm using the line that they show as my guide. And I'm going to score on the diagonal from, and you probably can't see this, there's a score line right here. So I'm going from that score line out. There we go. Okay. So I get a nice little diagonal fold there. Can you see me folding it there? You can see that coming along. Okay. I'm going to turn my paper and do the same thing.
I can race for hours and hours and don't stop. I can float, I can fly us to the highest mountain tops. I can breathe you, I can drink in your laugh. I can live on your smile. I can trip, and if I can fall into your arms, I can stay there my whole life.
But you can see from these diagonals I'm going to fold in, and that's going to make one side. I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to actually fold in and then up. and you can see our box coming. I'm then going to push the sides in here, and that's going to be the basis of our box. So let me get my sticky strip, and I'm going to put a little bit on the inside here. I went down too far. Clip that. And now I'm going to put a little bit on this other inside. And I'm only going down to the diagonal line. I don't want to go further than that. And I'm going to release.
I can run, I can race for hours and hours and don't stop. I can float, I can fly us to the highest mountain tops. I can breathe you, I can drink in your laugh. I can live on your smile. I can trip, and if I can fall into your arms, I can stay there my whole life. I can live, I can love, I can be there with you, for real, for real.
Now to hold my box together, what I'm going to do is use ribbon. And I'll show you that. So now that I have my box shape, I'm going to have the top meet here. You can see how that happens. Push those sides in again. And I'm going to use my crocodile, excuse my reach, and just make 2 holes at the top, like such. And then I would take a piece of ribbon
I can run, I can race for hours and hours and don't stop.
and just tie it shut here. There we go. And it's ready to be decorated. My ribbon could have been a little better, but you get the hint. You get the idea of it. Let me show you my finished example. So I made this cute little treat box for Halloween, wishing you a haunting Halloween. And you can see I've got the little cat from that set, and I've got a little plastic bag in there. Actually, I used one of our clear envelopes, Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes, and filled it with some s'mores cookies and tied it together with some black ribbon. But isn't that cute? So hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Be sure to stop back every day during my virtual open house for more tutorials and to see more convention swaps. Thanks.